Hey guys, I want to thank you for testing out our new Torque 5 Pro. I just want to go over a few things so you understand it before you start building. First thing I want to talk about is the parts that it takes. It's really designed around a 4-in-1 ESC, although you can use regular ESCs on the arms if you want. Um, it only works with the RunCap Micro or Foxeer Micro. There's just not enough room to get a mid battery frame with the HS1177 without making the quad overly big. Also, it's geared around using the TBS Unify Pro Race. It's made to be mounted upside down to the mid plate, and it's protected by being in between the mid plate and bottom plate. It's we've tested it; it's been working really well like this. Also, whenever you mount it in here, you would want to put some tape or something just to isolate it. If you take the heat shrink off, you want to put some tape or something to isolate it, from anything touching and possibly shorting out. I just did a little piece of tape right up here by the, right in this area by the plug. There's a VTX antenna mount here, which is pretty awesome. I think this is a very important thing for race squads to be able to change out your antennas very quickly at a race because you might have to go left or right hand polarization. So this is a big plus, and it's been really durable with all of our testing so far. There's a couple of important things that you're going to need to do on your first frames because they do need some small adjustments. One issue is with this VTX antenna mount. You're going to have to file all 8 corners here to get it to fit properly. I have a new version that's Jason's going to be testing real soon to see if we've got this problem fixed. I think we will, but for now you're going to have to do a little bit of filing with to get it to fit properly. Another thing is these camera mounts are not the actual camera mounts that it's going to come with. These are a little bit short. They will work. They're going to have to stretch a little bit, but we will be offering a more specific cam mount for it. And last thing is these little spacers go in between the arm and the plate. The arms are 4 millimeters. In between the mid plate and the bottom plate, we need 5 millimeters. So this is a 1 millimeter spacer. It's contoured. The shape is made to match the shape of the arm. A good thing to do is to stick bolts through here, put a little drop of glue right here in the middle, just one little drop, push the plate on and let it dry. If you do that, that's going to make changing the arms way easier in the future because trying to finagle these things, it's a bunch of parts, floating around. It's going to be a disaster. So that's one thing I recommend. When we sell replacement bottom plates, they're probably going to come with 4 spacers. So if you ever break a plate, you get the spacers. So that's just a start. Guys, try it out, test it, give me feedback. And I'm sure you're going to like it because mine flies phenomenal. All right, thanks.